First, I'm going in with a black cream multi-stick from Wet n Wild and creating the skull eye shapes. Next, I'm using a blending brush and applying purple face paint to the eye area. I'm applying dark purple around the outer circle and then a lighter shade in the middle to create kind of a gradient effect. Next, I'm using a makeup wipe remover to just clean up the edges around the eyes before we're going to apply the white face paint. I'm also applying black eyeliner on the inner bottom rim and the top rim of my eyes. Next, I'm using a makeup brush to apply white face paint all over the face and the neck area. Next, I'm using a small detail brush and black face paint to draw on the skull's nose. There's really no right or wrong way to do this. I just kind of looked at some pictures and created like some V shapes. Next, I'm using that same purple shade and applying it to the inner part of my mouth and then just blending that out to give it the appearance of a skull. Next, I'm going in with that small precision detail brush again, and I'm creating the skull's face shape and then also the skull's mouth. Using a blending brush, I'm now going in with some of that black face paint and applying that along the top portion of the skull's face. And essentially what you're gonna do is you're just going to blend that black down. You're not gonna add more color, you're just gonna keep blending it down until it has like a seamless look to it. I also went back in with a purple shade and did the exact same thing, applied it at the top area and blended it down. If desired, you can also contour out the neck and chest area using those same shades. Next, I'm using that small detail brush and drawing on a heart shape and then filling that in with the black face paint. I also went back over it with a black felt eyeliner just to clean up the edges and make it look a little bit more prominent. I also went back in with that purple shade and applied it to the forehead area. Next, I'm adding gemstones and pearls all over the face just to add some fun color and detail. Mine already were sticky, but if you don't have sticky ones, you can use lash glue. I hope you enjoyed this easy sugar skull makeup look for Halloween or Day of the Dead, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more fun Halloween makeup looks.